Hello, I'm Bahar. How are you feeling today? Our brains are always trying to save energy. That's why many of our actions happen automatically without conscious decision. This is why brushing our teeth before bed feels effortless. Yet, at other times, we may find ourselves finishing a bag of chips while watching TV, or spending an hour scrolling through social media. Every habit has a trigger, behavior, reward cycle. When we feel an emptiness, tension, or restlessness, that's the trigger. A sudden impulse might lead us to the kitchen to open the fridge. This is the behavior. The brief sense of relief that follows is the reward. Our brain learns to repeat this behavior automatically to reach the reward again and again. Over time, the feeling of relief may lessen, but the cycle remains ingrained. Breaking this cycle and developing healthier habits requires mindful awareness. As you observe, you can notice how these cycles operate and step in consciously. Let's take a closer look at these patterns. Get comfortable. Your eyes can be gently open or fully closed. Let your gaze wander around the room if you wish, or settle on a point. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Breathe in deeply once more. And as you exhale, feel the release of tension. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing its natural flow. Where in your body does your breath feel most comfortable? Which area connects with the flow of your breath most easily? Let your focus rest here. Letting your breath guide a sense of ease. Now, gently invite the habits you wish to change into your mind. Observe them with curiosity and kindness. Let the calm rhythm of your breath be your companion. Which of these habits is easiest for you to start changing? You don't need to start with the hardest one. Begin with the easier step and progress gradually. Focus on the habit you can start with more comfortably. How long has this habit been part of your life? How do you feel when you perform it? How often do you do it? Ask yourself, why do I want to change this habit? What positive effects will this change bring? Watch your answers with gentle awareness. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you imagine letting go of this habit, notice what happens in your body. Are there areas that relax or feel tense? Simply observe. Change doesn't have to happen immediately. Perhaps you will observe this habit mindfully for a while. Repeat your intention to stay aware a few times silently. Now release that intention and return your attention to your natural breath. Notice your face. Perhaps your jaw softens. Feel your shoulders, arms, and entire body. Let your attention spread through your whole body. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. How do you feel now? Letting go of unhelpful or harmful habits, taking care of yourself, and transforming your life positively is a journey. Along the way, remind yourself why you want to change. This will keep your motivation alive. Until next time.